All right, let's jump right into setting up ScalpMO on a 7-minute chart. This setup has its own unique flavor, and once you dial it in, you'll see why this is a go-to tool for scalping those short-term trades. First thing we're going to do here is set up some zones. Now, for this chart, I've got the middle region set to plus 0.20 and minus 0.20. The upper threshold is at 0.90 and the lower threshold is at minus 0.90. Now, these are just my designer's choice settings. You don't have to stick to them. Use them as a base, tweak them, make them your own. Your settings should match your style of trading, and I'm just giving you a starting point. Now, once you've got that all locked in, let's talk settings. ScalpMO is different from PureMO. I've got ScalpMO set at 14. You've got two key lines here, the wave line, and then there's the purple line, which we call the acceleration line. Just to keep it simple, we're going to keep calling it the purple line. So, how do you work with these? When the purple line and the wave line are way above or below the thresholds and that purple line crosses the zero line, that's your signal. In this case, it signals an entry to the short side. Simple, right? You hold on to that trade until the purple line crosses back above the zero line. Now, if you're looking to ride the upside, that entry is triggered when the wave line hits the lower middle region and the purple line is above zero and moving up. You hold on to that trade until the purple line crosses the wave line. Easy. For a downside trend, it's pretty straightforward. When the wave line touches the upper part of the middle threshold and the purple line crosses below zero, that's your short entry. You take that short until the purple line crosses back over the wave line. These are just a few base examples of how you can use ScalpMO to time your trades on the 7-minute chart. Every trader will have their own thresholds and risk management rules, but this gives you a solid foundation. Now let's look at another example. When the wave line hits the upper thresholds, especially in tight cyclic markets, you'll often see a reversal. Here, on October 8th, you had the wave line rising above zero. The moment the purple line crossed above zero, that was your signal to go long. This trade would have ended when the purple line dropped back below zero. If you wanted to push your luck, like a cowboy, you could have held on longer. But typically, once the wave line starts to tilt down and touches that threshold, the move is running out of steam. Another example is here at 10:30. The wave line was above zero, the purple line crossed above, and we saw a push to the upside. But once the purple line gets close to the top and tilts down, that's the end of the move. Now sometimes, like around 11:30 to noon, you won't get much movement. The market was flat. No big momentum swings here. However, at 12:30, the wave line began moving up, and the purple line was above zero. That was a small move, but it ended when the purple line crossed back under the wave line. Another trade setup happened at 1 o'clock when the wave line hit the upper part of the middle threshold, and the purple line was below zero. Another signal for a short. These are your base case examples of how to interpret ScalpMO signals on the 7-minute chart. It's all about recognizing the patterns and setting up your own entries and exits based on your risk management protocols. But remember, these are just starting points. The real magic happens when you adapt these settings to your own style. And that's it. ScalpMO on the 7-minute time frame, breaking it down and showing you how to scalp those moves. Catch you in the next one.